everyone, my name is Josee. I'm sales agent with Casa Linda and welcome to the gorgeous sunny Dominican Republic. We're going to take you behind the scene to meet all the people who are involved in making this beautiful villa your dream home. We're going to meet our architects, from the project manager, from the construction team, and most of all, your homeowner liaison, Karina. So stay with us and we're going to show you around. When we first meet the clients, us sales agent, the primary is to find out, first of all, the budget. When we have the budget all equal like this, we find out what kind of villa you guys want. And from the villa, we move down to the lot. When everything has been chosen on that part, now me and you, the client, we start working with the plan of your villa that you choose on whatever change you guys want to apply. Do you want a bigger pool, more patio, a double door, some more AC? This is where everything up there happened with our teams. So I'm gonna bring you up there and we're gonna go meet them. Hola chicas, how are you today? One question here for our viewer and our clients, Chris Mary. What is the most common modification that we can do on the villa?
There are many possible modifications for your villa. The most popular are a pergola, a roof door, a bigger pool, or an additional working closet. We give you advice and ideas until we design the perfect villa for you, just how you like it and in line with your budget.
Hi, my name is Lizelo and I am in charge of the architecture department. We say your villa, your way. We offer a variety of pre-designed villas, but everything is customizable. Depends on how many changes and how many revisions the clients make. It also depends on how busy we are, but usually within 2 weeks, the clients receive the proposal. You have 5 sets of changes included. You tell us what you want and we create a perfect home for you.
As you're going to receive your first set of plan, when you're going to be signing on those, now the architect is going to start working a second time on your technical plan. This means your plumbing, electricity, where you want the plug to be put, where you want the switch of the light to be put. Everything is possible. All the details that you want to your house, this is the team here that will make it happen for you. When everything is done on the second set of plan and we agreed on everything, the fun part comes to come and meet our project manager now, where you're going to decide all your material for your gorgeous villa. Hello, Joanna. How are you today? Could you explain a little bit what's the material selection involved?
People love to be able to select their materials and do it customized by their taste. So what we do is that we have a selection of very good quality standard materials and we offer them different options.
Oh.
We can do that personally. If they're in the country, they can come. We have a showroom where we can select from a brochure that we have. They can pick the doors, the color of the windows. We offer a couple of options. We offer different options for the tiles, color for the cabinetry, and from there we move forward. In the case that they want something specific, we will look for the best options to please them. Some people are very clear on what their preferences are, and they come and they have a very specific idea what they're looking for, but some other doesn't have any idea what they want. So that's where we come in and we suggest what we consider that can work better for them. We have been working in this project for a very long time, so with experience, we have found that some materials are more recommended in colors, especially for the exterior, to use light colors in the main door or the exterior bar, for example, not to get too hot, and also not to have shiny, slippery tiles for the bathrooms, for example. There is no need for major upgrades in the project. We already use very good quality, but most of the common requests from the clients are to enlarge island counter, for example, make some extra cabinetry in their kitchen or bathrooms, maybe to add a jacuzzi in their bathrooms or by the pool. Normally the process is very fast. I send them the brochure that we have with the material so they can pre-select most of the elements. And then we do a meeting. It can be done in one morning or afternoon. And if there is any adjustments, we can communicate options and coming back and forward with the clients. This is where the fun happens. And don't worry, if you're not in the country to do it personally, we can always arrange a video call. So we can show you the materials and you can see exactly how they look.
Now that you have your plans, material has been selected, it's going to be starting construction. This team is really, really important in that step, and we're going to go right now to meet Rebecca. the head chef of the construction.
Hello, my name is Rebecca Rodis, and I will be your eyes here in the Dominican Republic. I'm part of the construction department. I will be sending you pictures, updates, and everything that you need so you can be connected to your villa.
We have 4 construction phases. Phase 1, we clean the lot. We mark the points of villa and we do the excavation of the pool and the cistern. In phase 2, we start building the walls, the columns, and the roof. In phase 3, we start moving exterior and interior wall plaster. We do the frames from the windows and we do the pool deck.
Come, let me show you your villa. The last phase is phase 4. In this phase, we do the final of the tiles, we do the cabinets, countertops. We also review the sliding doors, we put the accessory in each bathroom, we check that the cabinets are in good condition. Our team supervise that every step of your villa are in good condition, so we deliver it to you.
So you saw the whole process of behind the scene here at Casa Linda. And when everything is done, the fun part comes and you will meet Karina, our homeowner liaison, who is going to deliver your set of keys to your brand new villa.
Hello, my name is Karina Bravo and I'm the owner liaison in Casa Linda. I'm in charge of delivering the villa to the homeowners when the construction has been completed. I guide the owners through the whole process of what to expect as an owner here in Casa Linda, the keys delivery, walk through the villa, and how to get the services like internet, cable TV, pool service, garden service, and also guide them through any questions that they might have through the process of becoming an owner officially. For me, it's very exciting to see how all these dreams comes to reality. Behind every villa, there is a different story, how people change the way of living and come to enjoy our beautiful weather, our beautiful people, and how they are very excited about this new life, about their investment. It's really nice to be part of that.
So please don't wait. Come and see us in Casa Linda. And you know that dream house that you've been dreaming forever? That's my house in the Dominican. Come and see us here and build it like I did.